welcome back to Super Killian. Today I am uploading one of my creations. It's called Dog on Roof. It's kind of like a sad story, but I made it less scary. I made it as easy as possible because sometimes the contents may be not so likable, but it teaches me something. I learned a lesson through this incident, and I hope that you've seen what's going on. And then if you spot something like this in your life, and try to avoid this kind of situation from happening before you get involved. Okay, hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a like. Big Bad Bulk 3 Dog on Roof. Girls love puppies. Who doesn't? Dogs are men's best friends. Big Bad Bulk had a puppy once. He found it in an abandoned water pipe on his farm. A mother dog gave birth to 4 puppies and he brought home 1. Girls gave up their cartoons the minute they saw the puppy. Shiny black fur and watery eyes and pink tongue went partially white after being fed on milk. The only problem was he groaned a lot, but barking. Not barking, but whining. He missed his mom, so Big Bad Ball brought home a second puppy the next day to keep the first one company. Well, 2 dogs were a pack, but once again it got too noisy. Tens of school nights when puppies were too excited to sleep, they barked. Big Bad Ball would smash their heads with his blue and white plastic flip-flops. Sometimes the puppies would faint or the barking got weak. That was when girls and mom knew the puppies were beat up bad. The next morning came too quickly for Big Bad Ball to get sober. Then he heard the barking again. Big Bad Ball told the girls to stand right in front of the house and watch exactly what he was going to do. He grabbed one of the puppies by one leg and threw the puppy over the roof until we all heard a loud moan and nothing more. Girls stood there in silence and did not dare to make a move. Perhaps Mom heard little girl sobbing under her security blanket once or twice.